Alright, YouTube, this your boy DIY, Trucker J. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna fix the picks on this radio. That's what we're gonna do today. So stay tuned for the video. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to uninstall a radio from 2003 E39 BMW or 2003 530i BMW. Same procedures. But somebody must have took this video out before, so we're gonna take it out. Alright, so be real quick. So sit back. All right, YouTube, right back at you. Now, you see right here, all the pics and everything is going. But I brought what I'm going to do later on, how to fix all of this. So basically what you do to get the radio out this car, what you have to do is take out this little knob right here, right? I'm going to pull out real slow. Now, inside this little knob, there's a tiny screw in there. There's a tiny screw, but I don't think somebody already took it out already. I don't know if they took it out or this radio was sold in exchange for another radio. I don't know, but it's how it was when I got it. There's a little screw. I think the screw in there is like an 8 or a 7. So pretty much what you're going to do is, once you get the screw out, just pull the whole radio out. So we put the knob back in so I can get the radio, because it's going to come out. See, that's it. It comes out right here. That's how you uninstall the radio from here. So all you really have to do here is unplug it from right here. You gotta lift this tab up, and once you get the tab up, see if I can find something to get the tab up over there. Now once you get this tab up right here, about as simple as that. So what you do to get this radio out, that white stuff that you see, that was armor on baking soda. I had to get a little whatever out. But pretty much what you do with this is you push this tab in right here. It's a little flap there. You can see it right there, right? So make sure we get it focused. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push that in and flip this little gray thing back. One second, I gotta flip that in. Let's flip that in. There you go. Once you flip it in, you slide back this way. That comes out. Pull it. So y'all can see what I'm doing here. Flip it out all the way back. And that's it. It comes out. And that's how you unplug it. So what we're going to do now, take this in the house and do the job. So that's how you install a radio from an E39 or 530i 2003 BMW. All right, so we done here. We're going to go inside, take all this apart, and get to working on it. All right, so stay tuned. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because this is definitely what we're about to do today. All right, y'all, salute.